honestly, my front tire is starting to wash out on me. I almost fell like 3 times already, just now. Hi, Mary. Mary, wait till you see the pictures. Mary. Why you bugging? Camera initializing. Now I'm going to get hit by a truck. Take a picture of me getting hit by a truck. Take a picture.
Alright, car. Should I wait for a semi? How come you're not taking pictures of my bike?
I'm gonna. The problem is I don't know how to get them on the computer.
Yo, bitch, watch the cars.
Yo, how big? Slud.
Bitch. Yeah, funny this is gonna be, bro. Did I give you permission to take pictures of the bike?
I'm gonna name it.
Excuse me, who gave you permission to ride in these facilities?
Hello.
Jefe?
Hello.
Excuse me, sir. I charge for pictures. Yo, Scrappy, say hello to the camera.
Yo, say hello to the camera. You know that?
What up? What up, bitches? Let's show Nico across the street.
Is there?
Huh?
Is that pickup sound?
Yeah, I'm taping right now.
Hi, Amy. I'm Dario's friend that never hooked me up with you.
There you go. There you go.
And Dario.
Oh well, kill that one.
Dario, yeah. Don't show this to Angela. Your girlfriend's gonna be here in a minute.
Okay, let's go to take 2.
Take 2. I don't like to ride. My name is Bob. I like to ride dirt bikes. I like to ride dirt bikes and play with Chinese women.
Yeah, Amy. Don't listen to that part where
Dario.match.com.
You're done, bro.
I'm done.
You're done.
Holy crap, it's time to grow.
Disregard the language. The bit language.
He's my narrator. My translator. Hello.
Me suck you long time.
Me love you long time, Joe.
I like to ride dirt bikes, and you got to get me like jumping somewhere,
Yeah.
and then we'll like make it look like the mountains right behind me.
Take the bike
And put it on the bottom.
This way you can take a picture.
Yeah, jump with my bike. Just put a pillow under your shirt. Oh man. Put my jersey on.